Alright, we got a old laptop that needs a new keyboard. This one is it's an Acer Aspire 5820T. Very old model. Oh. It's got a ATI graphics, Intel i5, one of the older generations. Should be easy to do. Looks like there are no screws, so in that case no disassembly required. That looks like Korean characters. Okay, this should be quite straightforward. So I can see some clips there. Push them in. It's a bit of liquid there. That explains why this keyboard is sort of half working. Disgusting, alright. And simply put, there we go. Simple as that. I don't remember there is power. Plug it in, see if it works. Power. It's got Windows 7 on it. Jesus. Yeah, I won't even bother. I'll just put a Windows 10 on this. And this one will be an MBR. Okay. Wow, this brings back memories, that wallpaper in Windows 7. I might chuck in a SSD in this and yeah, it should be pretty good. And the keyboard is working, let's try. Hello world. Oh, it is not. Or it's not tapping. No, it is okay. There we go. Hello world. Great. Alright, so let's shut this computer down. That's about it for this video. I'll make another one for putting an SSD and putting Windows 10.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.